Before I showcase the actual technique, I want to discuss with you why we use two different consistencies of the very same material to make a single impression. Well, apart from other things, we want the impression to be accurate as well as dimensionally stable. Accuracy is the ability of the material to pick up the finer details, the margins, etc. And the accuracy improves as the flow of the material is increased. And the flow can only be increased when the filler content is reduced and the polymer content is increased. But we know, more the polymer, more the polymerization shrinkage. So in effect, if we used only wash material to make the impression, it would indeed be very accurate, but not very dimensionally stable. On the other hand, the high filler and the low polymer content of putty doesn't make for very high accuracy, but it keeps the impression very stable. So by combining these two consistencies of the very same material, we in a way get the best of both worlds, where a small amount of wash material provides for the accuracy and the bulk of the impression is the putty, which makes the entire impression dimensionally stable. This so-called putty wash is commonly done in two ways. Here, I'm showing you the one-stage technique. To see the two-stage version, click on the link in the description. So the first step, of course, is to select an appropriate tray. Here, I'm using a stock perforated metal tray. Next, we measure out the putty. A convenient way to prevent over or underloading is to take either the base or the catalyst and place it in the tray like so, filling exactly half of the tray. Remember that the single stage putty wash is at the bare minimum of four-handed technique, which means you'll be needing some assistance. While the operator isolates and removes the retraction cord, the assistant is mixing the putty and loading the tray. Use a micro-tip attached auto-mix light body gun. Apply uniform and constant pressure to create an uninterrupted flow of material around the preparation. Don't lift the tip to prevent air entrapment. It's called the single stage because the putty and the light body are mixed simultaneously and they set together as one stage in the mouth. Critics argue that what typically happens is the putty tends to push the light body off the prepared tooth structure. The wash material then ends up in the buccal and lingual sulcus, and the critical areas such as the preparation margins is recorded with the putty, which cannot record details as well as the wash material. So it's simple yet predictable, but the main reason for its popularity and arguably its main advantage is the speed, since the impression is made in just one step. Hope that was helpful, guys. If it was, don't feel shy to hit that like button and subscribe for more dental learning. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.